Welcome everyone! Andito na naman tayo sa another episode ng Salon de V. Yung previous nating video, ang ginawa natin ay mashed potato. Ito yung magsisilbi nating side dish sa gagawin nating recipe or dish ngayon, which is the steak. Medyo western tayo ngayon, guys. So this is a beef rib eye. This is perfect for a steak kung wala kayong makikitang T-bone or sirloin. Kung makikita nyo, very lean yung meat natin. Binili natin ito sa isang premium meat shop. And I let it dry for about 30 minutes. Siguro, basta room temperature. Yun naman kasi importante. And all we need is to make sure na yung beef natin ay moisture-free. How can we know na ito ay moisture-free na? Just get a kitchen towel and then pat it.
Hi, this is Bok from Bok Tube at titikman na natin ang gawa ni V. Let's go. Sarap! Wow! Ang sarap! Sarap, B! Sobrang solid ng gawa mo. Parang kumakain sa 5-star hotel. Solid. Iba. Yung rate ko, 102%. Sobrang sarap. Bubusin ko na to. It's done. Yeah. All of this!